night, throw a lemon under your armpit, sit back and enjoy a little pigskin while nursing that hangover on New Year's Day on ESPN Networks. Take a look. We start at noon Eastern with the TaxSlayer.com Gator Bowl. Mississippi State and Northwestern will be all over the field. And then we finish up with the Discover Orange, number 15 Northern Illinois, the biggest game in that school's history against number 12 Florida State. Well, I would suspect that we'll see and hear a little excitement during those New Year's Day bowl games to kick off 2013.
And I suspect some of it may come from those still enjoying a spirited New Year's Eve celebration. Keep the party going from one year right into another. We now celebrate the sights and sounds of 2012.
And run this into his head.
Bob loves every minute of it.
Gobble, 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 turkey from Jive Turkey Gobblers.
You like the way the hips move?
Hey, diddle, diddle, red rice up the middle.
On the championship of the locker room of rock, paper, scissors. Sweet.
I can lie to my wife, and she can forgive me.
Be kind of like me telling my wife that I really think you should wear this dress. This dress looks great, and you don't look near as fat in that dress.
Here's the recipe for Gator chicken.
One of the highest profile guys in the league has, asked for his coach to be fired.
Yeah, he kind of like, hey. Yeah, what's our main concern right now?
It's just like, well, yeah,
Get top here.
That was so weird.
You ever been in the bar fight?
Put him on his prissy little and run this into his head for 25 minutes.
Players there, put you right in the mouth.
These guys just tried to kill each other.
Just no respect amongst players. None. It's sick.
Love Tiger to go out first and kick it out of my dino? No.
Watch us beat the New York Giants.
Violence is out of the question. Put your big boy pants on. I'm not going to the Nets game tonight, and my message to the Nets is goodbye.
I'm not walking it. Don't ask me a question about the official.
We got the worst group of seniors. I don't want your suggestion to be in that suggestion box, because I sure don't know.
Our season look like this tree right now where we're standing.
I think we did good. I think we did real good. Smile.
Can you imitate Tim?
He's got big ears and helps him stay back on those balls. Do I really sound like that?
You know, as I screamed, like a man, of course.
Mario Chalmers should not be allowed to have arms to shoot a basketball in the front.
Make the Blake face.
Ryan Dempster.
Derek Hollister. Wow, what a game.
I'm like Pinocchio right now. You can turn Lynn into so many things.
He's a Scorpio and a horrible dancer, Joakim Noah.
Put your arms around him, you give him a big kiss on the mouth if you're a girl.
And I'll always enjoy having played for such a great team.
My goal is to make Peyton Manning the best quarterback that's ever played the game.
We think our legacy is important.
I ain't gonna go out like this.
People remember you for how you leave, and this isn't how I want to leave.
You know, I'll be talking about them to the day I die. The 2012 season will be my last.
It is now time to turn over my whistle.
I wanted to do something with my life. Excuse me, what's 1, 2, 3, job. Let's do what Devin would do. Devin would go out and play his club.
Bob loved every minute of it, and
This is one of the best things in the world.
Go, Omaha, let's go!
This Heisman Trophy's for you. Diego.
We did it.
I think it's actually good.
It's about damn time.
I think we've hit bottom.
That's really not the way we go about our stuff around here.
But if I've ever made any mistakes in my life, I've taken responsibility for my actions.
I've never been more embarrassed in my life to play football than in that moment.
Do I look relieved?
I think I'm going to always be punished in some form or fashion for last Thanksgiving.
And I'm very stupid, very naive about the comment.
And I'm very, very excited.
I'm Mark.
That's a final question, bro.
I can get on with that. Now I don't have to hear the drama. There's always seems a lot of drama with this team.
Yeah, I'm really happy to be here.
They're really...
You start to piss me off.